R for roar. Roar is walk. Say after me, roar. Say after me, roar. R for rear. Rear is eat. Say after me, rear. Say after me, rear. C for sear. Sear is cook. Say after me, sear. Say after me, sear. C for saucer. Saucer is only. Say after me, saucer. Say after me, saucer. Ch for shekeleke. Ch for shekeleke. Shekeleke is white bird. Say after me, shekeleke. Say after me, shekeleke. E for ishaka. Ishaka is musical instrument. Say after me, ishaka. Say after me, ishaka. If you're interested in joining one of our Igbo classes, you can click on our website in the description box. You can book classes via our website. Our website remains www.learnigbo-byconversation.com.